So we had 6 inches of rain in 1 week and 5 inches of that rain was within one afternoon. And we have real sandy soil here, and my driveway is just about washed away. So we are going to, this is a slight hill. It's just a bit of a incline, and it washes really bad down it. So it washes our sand down to the end down here, down to the little curve. So we're gonna put the blade on the tractor, and we're gonna pull this sand back up here and fill in all of these places and make it nice and smooth again. We're gonna set it up and get on the tractor and get busy. Okay, so that's the way we fix roads on here on the farm, or as I like to call it, the Hillbilly Estate. When you have sand, every time it rains, it washes a little more down the hill. We had a rather large rain this past week, and it washed a lot down the hill, and it makes it pretty rough and washes ditches in it. And if you don't stay on top of it, it'll eventually wash down where you have to have some big equipment in here to fix it. So just kind of stay on top of it, and you know, it's part of life on the Hillbilly Estate. I still have the other side of the hill here to go down to the main road, little farm to market road. This side here, there where I was backing down to, the road actually turns and goes down another little steeper hill. I got to work that one, pull it back up it. But anyway, I hope you found this entertaining and amusing, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.